Good news hits Nnamdi Kanu as Abuja court shocks Tinubu and DSS issue unexpected order. See inciting details. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in and listening to this headline that we got to end this morning. As a headline for this morning says here that good news hits Nnamdi Kanu as Abuja court shocks Tinubu and DSS issues an unexpected order. See exciting details. Well, the Abuja Federal High Court has issued a stern warning to the Director General of the Department of State Services (DSS), Adeola Oluwatosin Ajayi, for allegedly obstructing the legal team of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB), from accessing their clients. The court emphasized that further violation of its order could lead to the imprisonment of the DSS boss. Going further, in a notice of consequences, the court reminded Ajayi of his previous ruling, which grants Kanu's lawyer regular access to meet with him. The ruling specified that Kanu's legal team must be allowed to visit him on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The notice was delivered by Ajayi on the register of the Federal High Court in Abuja and was made public by Kanu's legal counsel, Ale Ejimako. Well, Ejimako emphasized concern over the consistent refusal by the DSS to comply with a month. Yes, to comply with the court order. According to him, for nearly a month. Well, the DSS under the new leadership of Ajayi had blocked Kanu's lawyer from meeting with him despite the court's clear directive. Ejimako, in a signed statement, revealed that the court issued notice explicitly warned Ajayi of the legal repercussions of failing to comply with the order. The notice read, "Take note that unless you obey the directions contained in this order by allowing the applicant's counsel to conduct the court ordered visitation with the applicant on Mondays, Wednesday, and Friday will be guilty, be contempt of court, and liable to imprisonment." Going further, Ejimako further clarified that this warning was a formal legal step, alerting Ajayi of the criminal consequences of defying court order, and stressed that if the DSS chief continues to prevent the visit, the legal team will be left with no choice but to initiate contempt proceedings against him. Well, the dispute over the visitation rights of Kanu's legal team, well, has been undergoing a lot of tensions. Yes, the dispute over the visitation right of Nnamdi Kanu's team has been ongoing since his arrest, with both sides frequently clashing over compliance with court directive. Well, the latest development and the latest news indicate the rising tension between the judiciary and DSS, the political legal and consequences for Ajayi. The court order continues to be ignored. And also that was said here concerning the sentence today this morning, which says that good news hits Nnamdi Kanu as Abuja court shocks Tinubu and DSS issued an unexpected order. See what they did. Well, good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in and listening to this headline this morning. And if you're not to subscribe, the best you can do right now is to tap that subscribe button with notification bell so that anytime I have a new video, you'll be the first guy notified about it. Well, we all know that the DSS, I don't know why they hate Nnamdi Kanu or they hate Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer. Any which way, anytime Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer come to visit Nnamdi Kanu, they will not let him in. One excuse or the other, they'll just disallow the lawyers from seeing Nnamdi Kanu, and that is bad. That is against court order. Yes, that is against court order. And every time the Ishmael takes this issue up, but now he has taken it legally, saying that if they refuse court order again, he can be arrested. This is the last time we're going to talk about you guys obstructing us from seeing Nnamdi Kanu. How many times? Even last year they did the same thing. Now you guys are still doing it again. It is so annoying. Like seriously, it is also so annoying. Nnamdi Kanu deserves his freedom. He deserves his freedom. The federal government should learn that, whether in the small way or the hard way. They should learn that. Well, at this point in time, the issue of this DSS has been brought to the court, and the court is telling Ajayi to preside to come to court and let them talk. Because if he is found guilty of actually letting Nnamdi Kanu's legal team not to see Nnamdi Kanu, believe me, he could face serious legal consequences. Though he can even go to jail for that, because it is now against law to don't let a lawyer see his client. Then how do you want them to prepare for a case? Yes, How do you want them to prepare for a case? Normally, I myself, I believe that the DSS don't want to do this, but because of the federal government influence, they're obeying the federal government, and that is what is making them do this. I myself, I don't believe that the DSS has any personal hate towards Nnamdi Kanu, but they are following orders from the federal government. Yes, the federal government is using them, and if the federal government they use them, they will suffer for their crimes too. Now, them too. That is the federal government not paying them to do the things that are doing to Nnamdi Kanu? Uh-huh. So they will suffer for it too, and they must learn that you don't have any right to stop the legal team of Nnamdi Kanu from seeing Nnamdi Kanu. You don't have any right. Yeah, you don't have any right. Well, concerning the issue of Nnamdi Kanu, people are still hoping that he will be free. That everybody has done everything in order in order for Nnamdi Kanu to be free. A lot of talks have been talked. What have we said concerning this Nnamdi Kanu's case that I have not said before? Nnamdi Kanu himself is fighting for his freedom, and one DSS would not be doing anyhow to you. The act, the vex alone, the vexation alone, God self, will almost make you give up. That is what Nnamdi Kanu is facing. That is what his legal team is facing. If sometimes they will allow them to see each other, they'll be sneaking him they will sneaking him dropping devices. The court have said those ones before, but the DSS are still doing it too. The best solution to all this is that just remove Nnamdi Kanu from DSS custody. Remove him from DSS custody. They should put him in a solitary confinement, like just a normal prison, since he's not yet a criminal. Yes, since he's not a criminal, or just release him, let him go to release him to a house in Abuja or release him in the southeast. Anytime people are ready to do court, make him come back, because you guys are saying are keeping him. The court never even starts. And Kanu just in prison for no possible reason now at this point in time. He's just in prison for no possible reason. Because according to the federal government, they say there's no there's no judge to take over the case. So he's just there. And the DSS is not even allowing the lawyer to see him. So what kind of rubbish is this? What is actually going on? Yes, people are feeling frustrated by this. What do you guys think? Tell me. Drop your comment in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. Then tap the subscribe button here to be called on with the notification bell so that anytime I have any new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have a wonderful day. I love you.